First Light Lamps manufactures high-quality Xenon and Krypton flash lamps for a wide range of specialist industries, including aerospace, defence, medical, scientific and industrial applications.
Manufacturing at First Light Lamps has evolved over the years through automation, the investment in CNCs and the technical advancements that we've made in production. The investments we've made into the new CNC machines here at First Light Lamps has allowed us to greatly increase our productivity and overall quality of products that we produce here.
While a lot of the manufacturing is now supported by automated systems, there is still a big need for the manual side of lamp assembly. Learning glass blowing can take anything from 3 to 6 months on some of the small basic stuff, but you never stop learning on some of the bespoke lamps that we make.
The engineering team plays a major role in designing, developing, maintaining and improving the specialist machinery we use here in the factory. Over the years, First Light Lamps has developed a highly specialised engineering team. We've developed some of the most advanced machinery in the industry in-house.
Research and development plays an important role at First Light Lamps by helping drive innovation, improve performance and support the development of new manufacturing methods.
We maintain consistency throughout the production process through a combination of experienced people and advanced manufacturing technology. Every stage of production plays an important role in achieving a reliable final product.
Quality control plays an important role. It ensures consistency across every stage of production and therefore consistency in our product. It helps us maintain the standards our customers expect of us. The ISO 9001:2015 standard drives all aspects of the business to ensure consistency, traceability and continuous improvement. It means that we follow structured processes and high standards throughout both our manufacture and customer interactions.
During the testing process, we check that every lamp performs consistently and correctly. Testing is such an important stage because it allows us to make sure that each lamp works reliably before it goes out to the customer. It's one of the final checks to ensure quality and consistency.
What makes customers continue working with First Light Lamps is the trust they have with the products and the expertise within the business. Our combination of skilled people, technical capability and continued investment in manufacturing helps us build strong long-term relationships with our customers.
Here at First Light Lamps, building long-term relationships is extremely important to us. This helps build trust between us and our partners. It helps build an understanding of quality expectations from both sides, and it helps deliver the product consistently to their expectations.
We're proud to have a strong team of skilled and experienced individuals. We encourage staff at First Light to explore new ways of working, to develop their capabilities and contribute to the success of the team, the business and our customers.
What makes the team here special is a combination of specialist knowledge, technical expertise and experience built up across the industry over many years. Alongside investment in modern manufacturing methods, it's the people within the company that really drives the quality and reliability of our products. Reliability is so important in the industries that we work with because our customers depend on consistent performance in demanding environments.